Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to go for the tools folder, and right now just go for the recorder. Accept the permissions, and right now if you want to start the record you have to tap right here on the middle button. Click that we got it, and right now the smartphone starts recording sounds. When you want to finish you have to click right here. You can rename your record or just straight save it. And here is the list, and your record will be available right here. As you can see, it was the quality of this record, and right now I'm going to delete this record. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.